Hey there, future millionaires. If you're enjoying the insights so far, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content just like this. Let's dive back into the fascinating world of financial wisdom, shall we? Warren Buffett, the man, the myth, the billionaire next door. You know, the guy who probably has more money than all of us combined, but still grabs his morning coffee at McDonald's? Yeah, that guy. But how did he get there? Well, let's rewind a bit. As a kid, Warren was already hustling harder than your average lemonade stand owner, selling Coke, newspapers, magazines, and gum door to door. And yeah, he was probably the only kid in the neighborhood with a World Almanac instead of a Game Boy. Fast forward to today, and he's still grinding, except now it's through reading and making savvy investment decisions, not just newspapers. Now let's talk habits. No, not the kind you brush your teeth with, the money kind. Habit number 1, smart spending. Ever think about the hours you spend at work versus that shiny new Tesla you want? Yeah, Warren does. Maybe it's time to reconsider that impulse buy. Habit number 2, make your money work for you. No, I don't mean hiring a personal trainer for your dollars, I mean investing wisely, folks. And no, checking Facebook stock updates doesn't count as research. Habit number 3, think outside the cubicle. Warren's office isn't the corner suite with a view, it's the local fast food joint. Sometimes a change of scenery can lead to groundbreaking ideas. But wait, there's more. In our quest for financial discipline and amassing wealth, personal finance pitfall avoidance is the linchpin. Credit card debt is one such menace. It is an enormous pitfall to sidestep. We live in a world where credit is easy to come by, but it can quickly turn into a vicious cycle of revolving debt. Credit cards can be useful, but they can also be your worst nightmare if not handled correctly. If credit card debt ties you down, say no to it. Remember, accumulating debt is the opposite of accumulating wealth. Next, we face the compulsion of staying up to date with the latest tech gadgets and gizmos. The temptation is huge, with new products being released every few months. But is it essential? Not quite. The latest iPhone or the newest gaming console might seem appealing, but will it contribute to your wealth? Probably not. So, resist the urge, opt for more modest tech choices. Your bank account will thank you. Now let's move to the slightly touchy subject of splurging on designer clothes. Yes, the allure of brand names and high-end fashion is undeniable. The big labels, the status they convey, the feeling of luxury, it's all too attractive. Yet is it necessary? Is it worth the dent in your savings account? Absolutely not. You can look and feel good without breaking the bank. Save those pennies, they'll add up to a fortune. Next, let's delve into the world of memberships. They come in multiple forms. Gym memberships, streaming services, magazine subscriptions, and more. These are all recurring expenses that can slowly drain your bank account. Are they worth it? Maybe if you use them extensively. But are you? Are you hitting the gym regularly? Are you watching enough shows on Netflix to justify the monthly bill? And what about those magazines piling up on the coffee table? Think about it. Cut down on unused memberships. They well be unnecessary expenditure. On the subject of gambling, well, the great Warren Buffett is hardly a fan. The unpredictability, the high stakes, the potential losses, it's not his cup of tea. The only thing he's rolling the dice on is his next book purchase. In fact, he believes in calculated risks and investments. Gambling is a game of chance, and when it comes to financial stability, leaving things to chance isn't wise. So, betting your money away, a big no-no. Lastly, a conversation about money drains wouldn't be complete without discussing smoking. Not only does it drain your bank, but it's also killing you. A pack of cigarettes here, a carton there, it all adds up. The financial implications are as harsh as the health ones. The cost of smoking extends beyond just the price of cigarettes. There are also potential healthcare costs down the line. So maybe consider diverting that money towards something a little less toxic. Maybe invest it in your health instead. A gym membership, perhaps. In conclusion, we need to identify these pitfalls and steer clear of them. It's not just about making more money. It's about keeping what you earn and growing it. So, avoid these pitfalls, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom and stability. Always remember, your personal finance journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, discipline, and wise decisions are the keys to building lasting wealth. But it's not just about what you do with your money, it's about who you are. Warren Buffett isn't just a financial guru. He's also a big believer in personal development. Because let's face it, you can't make money moves if you're still stuck in yesterday's mindset. And speaking of mindset, Warren's got some wise words about thinking long term. Because let's be real, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your investment portfolio. And last but not least, don't forget to plan ahead. Like Warren says, the more you learn, the more you earn. So there you have it, folks. The blueprint to financial success straight from the Oracle of Omaha himself. Now, who's ready to start building their empire?